Is your Wi-Fi so bad you have to stand in one specific corner of your house just to watch a YouTube video? Yeah, I've been there. That's why I spent the last month turning my own home into a Wi-Fi testing lab. I've installed, configured, and stress-tested the top mesh Wi-Fi systems of 2026 specifically for beginners, so you don't have to decipher a manual written in Klingon. And I'll tell you right now, my number one pick completely shocked me. It's not the most expensive, it's not from the biggest brand you'd expect, but it delivers future-proof speed with a setup process a 5-year-old could handle. Let's kick things off with our number 5 spot, the Asus ZenWiFi AX. This is the mesh system for the beginner who knows they might not be a beginner forever. Its best feature is easily its power and customizability. The performance is rock solid, delivering fantastic speeds, but the app also hides a treasure trove of advanced settings. This is for the person who wants a simple setup today, but wants the option to tweak and optimize their network down the road. The one honest flaw? That same treasure trove of settings can be overwhelming. The app isn't quite as streamlined as others on this list, and you might feel a little intimidated at first glance. But what if you don't care about tinkering and just want raw, unadulterated speed? That brings us to number 4, the Netgear Orbi RBK852. This thing is an absolute beast. Its best feature is pure, unfiltered performance. If you have a massive house with concrete walls and you want to stream 8K video in the basement while gaming in the attic, the Orbi will not break a sweat. It's for the person who just wants the fastest, most powerful option and is willing to pay for it. The flaw, however, is that price tag. It's one of the most expensive systems out there, and Netgear really pushes you to subscribe to their Armor security service, which feels a little cheeky after you've already spent so much. Now, paying a premium for speed is one thing, but what if your top priority is a system so simple it practically disappears? Say hello to number 3, the Eero Pro 6E. Eero's reputation is built on simplicity, and for good reason. Its best feature is without a doubt the setup process. You plug it in, you scan a QR code in the app, and you're done in less than 5 minutes. It just works. This is for the person who wants their Wi-Fi to be completely invisible technology. Plug it in, and never, ever think about it again. But that simplicity is a double-edged sword. The honest flaw is that the app has almost no advanced controls. If you want to do anything beyond changing the password, you're pretty much out of luck. That set it and forget it philosophy is fantastic, but it's even better when your Wi-Fi router is also the brain of your smart home. Which leads us to number 2, the Google Nest WiFi Pro. This system is beautiful, and its best feature is its seamless integration with the Google Home ecosystem. If you have Nest speakers, cameras, or thermostats, this system ties it all together beautifully inside one app. Setup is a breeze, and the performance is reliable and strong. It's the obvious choice for anyone already living in Google's world. The one frustrating flaw? The satellite points don't have any Ethernet ports. So if you want to hardwire a gaming console or a desktop PC in another room, you can't. It's a bizarre omission that holds it back from the top spot. So, Google's system is brilliant for those in its ecosystem, but what if you want the absolute best all-around package? The one that balances future-proof tech, a dead simple setup, and a price that doesn't make your wallet cry? My number 1 pick for the best mesh Wi-Fi system for beginners in 2026 is the TP-Link Deco XE75. This system nails the trifecta. Its best feature is the incredible value it provides. You get cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology, which uses a brand-new, congestion-free band for lightning-fast speeds, all for a price that is significantly less than its competitors. The Deco app is also incredibly intuitive and walks you through setup perfectly. This system is for basically everyone. It's the perfect blend of next-gen performance, user-friendliness, and affordability. Its honest flaw? The units themselves are a bit tall and plain-looking compared to the stylish designs from Google or Eero. They're not ugly, but they don't exactly blend in like modern art. So there you have it, the Deco XE75 takes the crown. It proves you don't have to be a networking genius or spend a fortune to get incredible Wi-Fi everywhere in your home. If you want to check out the latest prices on the Deco or any of the other systems we talked about today, I've put fresh links to all of them right down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your buffer-free life.